Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Fixing code P0008, a diagnostic trouble code indicating an issue with the crankshaft position system performance, can range significantly in cost, primarily because the code itself points to a symptom rather than a specific failed component. This error is particularly common in various GM vehicles, especially those with V6 and V8 engines utilizing variable valve timing, VVT, where it often signals underlying problems like stretched timing chains or worn cam phasers. The initial step, and a crucial one, is accurate diagnosis. Most repair shops will charge a diagnostic fee, typically ranging from $75 to $150, which might be waived or applied to the repair cost if you proceed with them. This diagnostic process isn't just hooking up a scanner. It involves detailed inspections, checking oil pressure, potentially using specialized tools to measure timing chain stretch, and verifying cam phaser operation using a scan tool or oscilloscope. Misdiagnosis can lead to expensive, unnecessary repairs, so don't skimp on this step. Once the root cause is identified, the cost spectrum widens considerably. At the lower end, if the issue is a faulty crankshaft position sensor or camshaft position sensor, which can sometimes trigger P0008 indirectly or be part of a broader diagnostic process, the repair might only set you back between $150 and $400. This includes the cost of the sensor itself, usually $30 to $100, and relatively low labor time, perhaps 1 to 2 hours at an hourly rate of $75 to $150. However, these sensor failures are less common primary causes for a persistent P0008, which more frequently points to mechanical timing issues. The more common and significantly more expensive fixes involve the variable valve timing system components or the timing chain itself. If the problem is worn cam phasers, also known as VVT actuators, you might be looking at a repair cost ranging from $800 to $2,000. Each cam phaser can cost $100 to $300, and there are typically 2 or 4 in a VVT engine. The labor involved is more substantial, often requiring removal of valve covers and other components, easily accumulating 4 to 8 hours of shop time. The most substantial repair, and unfortunately a frequent culprit for P0008 in high-mileage GM vehicles, is a stretched timing chain. Replacing a timing chain assembly is a major undertaking. It involves removing numerous engine components, including the front timing cover, harmonic balancer, water pump, and sometimes the oil pan. This is an extremely labor-intensive job, often requiring 10 to 20 hours of labor, depending on the engine design and accessibility. At an average labor rate of $100 to $150 per hour, labor costs alone can quickly reach $1,000 to $3,000. The timing chain kit itself, which typically includes the chain, guides, tensioners, and sprockets, can cost anywhere from $300 to $800 for quality aftermarket parts, or significantly more for OEM components. Therefore, a complete timing chain replacement can easily cost between $1,500 and $4,000, and even higher at some dealerships or for more complex engine configurations. Several factors influence these costs. The specific make and model of your vehicle, some engines are more difficult to work on than others. Whether you opt for OEM parts versus quality aftermarket parts, the shop you choose, independent mechanics often have lower hourly rates than dealerships, and your geographic location. Ignoring P0008 is not advisable, as it can lead to reduced engine performance, decreased fuel economy, and potentially more severe engine damage over time if the timing becomes too far off. Always prioritize a thorough diagnosis to ensure you're addressing the actual problem and not just chasing symptoms. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more automotive insights and repair cost breakdowns.